Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to see how to create IICS free trial account. Open any browser and just type in Informatica free trial account. And just choose the first one. Choose your free cloud platform trial. Slowly scroll down and you can see free trial button here, right? So just click on it. And you can see free 30-day trial cloud data integration, right? On to the right, you can see the details, right? First name, last name, like this. So just provide your details here. First name, your last name, job title, right? And your work email. And if you wanted to use your email address as your username, just select this checkbox, or else you can change your username here by unselecting this checkbox. Select your user role, provide your phone number and organization name here, and just provide country, state, city, and postal code. And then comes the important part, data center location. So this determines the location of the data center that runs your cloud instance. So that is where your cloud instance will be running. So you have three choices here. So choose the one which you are in or which is nearer to you. And then optionally you can select this checkbox if you wanted to receive marketing communications from Informatica, or else you can just skip it and just select this checkbox after you read the subscription agreement. And finally, you're going to hit this start your free trial button. And once you hit on this button, you're going to receive an email like this. So from the admin informaticacloud.com, and the subject should read Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services account. So just click on this button, verify me now. Then you get a screen where you need to set your new password. So set a new password. So it should be of lowercase, uppercase, numbers, and special characters. And remember, it has to be at least 9 characters in length. Confirm your password. Just make sure the passwords match. All right. And then you can choose a security question here. This will be helpful when you forget your password to reset your password, right? So I'm going to choose one. And optionally, you can select this checkbox if you wanted to receive marketing communication from Informatica. I'm not selecting this. Just click on submit. Done. You are set with your password. Now you're landed onto a page where you need to choose source and target systems which you are interested in. So I'm going to choose local CSV, Oracle, and Salesforce. You can choose up to 3. So I'm choosing 3 of my choice. So you can choose any 3 of your choice, which you often use. So just click on continue. And here you are presented with sample use cases. If you are interested, you can go through them, or else you can just skip them by clicking on here. On to the right, don't show this again. And then you'll get the services like this, which Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services provide, right? So these are the different services here. And you can see here a data integration service, right? So which you can consider it as a replacement of Power Center. So it's like a designer and repository if you are familiar with Power Center, right? So and administrator is like the admin console, and monitor can be used to, view the jobs, and you can debug the logs. And you see a star here. So if you can mark this star, so it is set as default. And the next time when you log in, you will not get that screen. So you'll be landed onto the home page of data integration service. So this is the home page of data integration service. So this is how you actually create your 30-day free trial IICS account. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Secure Agent on Windows. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.